Good morning. Welcome to TDGB Bookmaker's attempt at teaching you how to do the French link stitch. In the previous video, episode 70, Apple Kayak Summer, I said in the future I will attempt to show you how to do a French link stitch. This is that attempt. Hope you enjoy it. First, you have to have an even number of holes that you can put thread through. Here I have 8, and we have 3 linked stitches to show on the spine. You sew the first signature in and out so that you have 3 stitches showing on the spine. Then, when you put the second signature on, you loop the needle under the first signature's open stitch. This is basically what you do for the entire French link stitch. Is when you get to the open stitch from the signature above, then you thread the needle under the open stitch on the lower signature. You do that back and forth all the way. As you're sewing, make sure each stitch is not loose. After you loop under the open stitch on the lower signature, you go up to the upper signature and go through the next hole in order to get to the next open stitch. When you get to the end of the second signature, you just tie off the 2 loose ends you have. I use a double knot. I tie it twice to make sure it doesn't come loose. Make sure everything's nice and tight. Once you get in the rhythm of out the upper signature and under the open stitch of the lower signature and then up into the hole in the upper signature, once you get into that rhythm, boom, boom, up and down, out, under, up, and working your way through, it gets to be quite hypnotic. I hope this was useful. I hope you've learned a little bit from this tutorial. Hope to see you again soon. Thanks for dropping by. Take care.